Chiwanda tayina kintu chiwanda kyo bwe kiba kyuma chiwanda ki chiwanda bajjamu kuba akaveera kabbi mu Lumbe oba wait and see. Ebyo byonna first family byekola they have lost tebalifuna musika avudde mu first family. What Museveni has to do is to arrest the mafia gang, however powerful they are, abakube mu kkomera to send a strong message alyoka dealing nani ne Bobi Wine ti Museveni mumanyi bwakukyawa n'omukola ekibita kuddira kakati akimanyi nti there will never be peace in spite of this relationship we are talking about. Bwamusula tafa omwana we bwakuba essasi tofa. It does not make a sense whether in a blood relationship. It does not make a matter. Emperor Neto ya Tamale for overthrowing the government. You can kill. If Gaddafi had killed his son Islam, Gaddafi would be in Libya. Mujuri.
President Museveni omulaba wa mukaluka nakaddako.
Yes, Museveni will win. Naye he must make gonde waliwo omusajja awandiika ekitabo The Art of War ekiwandiika emyaka 3 BC in Chinese General Shanzu. If Museveni does not operate like a Shanzu, he's going to have a lot. He will win, but he will be bruised. Embwa esobola okukwata hogo naye hogo eyinza ogiti yalinga nemala ebbanga nga tezeeyo nakuyigga. What Museveni has to do is to arrest the Kutesas, the mafia gang, however powerful they are, abakube mu kkomera to send a strong message alyoka dealing nani ne Bobi Wine. Museveni must withdraw his earlier team eyabo ba Chiwanda bajja mu baba Chiwanda mu Buganda. What you telling me what Buganda achievement is attributable to Chiwanda to be the head of Buganda campaign.
Yalitaba misikavi.
Anti yakola ate yawangula mugiso. Chiwanda tayina kintu chiwanda kyo bwe kiba kyuma chiwanda ki. Chiwanda n'omutekambu ali wano simanyi nansa natadde oyo Chiwanda kube Chiwanda bajjamu bakaveera kabbi. You tell us, give us a Muganda to head and your sideline in Naduli and you bring Chiwanda. Chiwanda ne wabwe bali bamututabo banankabira Chiwanda bajjamu bakaveera kabbi. Chiwanda tesobola kukola. Chiwanda is a bad choice for Buganda. Regional akoze office. Chiwanda, even the name Chiwanda muliro Chiwanda ki. Chiwanda to spit. What does it spit money? Does it spit life? Does Chiwanda mwana wani mu Buganda? Jejja wiyani Chiwanda. Linnya ly'abaki mbu n'abakoba nafuuka n'abakoba nti wampologomu. They don't know. They are fighting Bobi Wine ayina strong. Kati mpuuga.
Ntempuuga.
Bampuuga. Bamuwanga kivumbi baani. What is the equivalent of Museveni? Ti omusajja ataddewo katuusa goyinawo ki. Ndi kasolo kuba agenda agaba ssente. Ffe twasirika tuli bwetu batujooga. Ffe batujooga ne tusirika. Tuli bwetu tuba tunuulidde. Ffe omupiira tugulabira mu Kirasa. We are watching the match in Kirasa.
Eri bawandula.
Bawanda. Nti myai can work with Chiwanda. Naduli. You substitute Naduli for Chiwanda. Chiwanda for Naduli. Then somebody is bewitching you. Wali wakuloga. Boleta Chiwanda, not a later Naduli. Kati wali wakuloga. Even Salongo Sebalu is better than Chiwanda. Na yolo okuba bano bakutesa ba Chiwanda be bannabwe. Ba amuleta amutekewo yatambula mu chaji bajja mu kubakataasa kabbi. Chiwanda bajja mu kubakaveera kabbi mu Lumbe oba wait and see. Bajja ba Chiwanda akaveera kabbi aliyokadde yatuule. That Chiwanda team is useless. Can I join the Chiwanda team? Me am more popular than Chiwanda in here. Not only in Buganda. When you bring Chiwanda and me, and we are on different side. When you bring this man, bana abayaye bagundi, bambidde, bana abayaye bagundi, ono yali embengo, bana bali Masaka aba people power, muwanga kivumbi. Nga muwanga kivumbi ayogera ngoyogera ku Chiwanda bajja kumuleta bajja bakaveera kabi. Chiwanda is not an anchor. Chiwanda cannot mobilize Buganda. Starting with what? What do we attribute to Chiwanda in Buganda? Even the name Chiwanda. So because the whole thing is not intended for mobilization, the Kutesa team put up all of these people, the Chiwandas and the sea, who cannot is like mobilizing dogs to hunt a leopard. Tebagala ku destroying Chiwanda ye group ya full figure, Chiwanda ye group ya kusasira, Chiwanda ye group ya mayinja. Those are the same people. Once you bring them, we run away. Me, I cannot associate with them.
N'olwekisonga eyo abatulaba tweyanza mwebale kutwagala mukulu Tamale Mirundi atujja kuddamu awamu naye nga tudiscussinga ensonga nyingi nnyo mu ggwanga atwadde prediction ye walaba President Museveni ne Bobi Wine n'atugamba nti yo kugenda mu embalala for his launching the elections si kibi kuba bonna abantu nabako bagala change so
Eri abantu erabe mbala bagezi ekyokubiri Bobi Wine bwaga nti alaga embalala nomubuuza nti wikiveni tajirinayo naye Bobi Wine amanyi nti from Kampala tumbalala buli trading center bajja kuba bamulinze ajja kuwana musinga nti ngenda nga tajja gendayo naye akulage ku luguudo kati abasirikale batandika okubatiya gasi mu bantu nejatabadde kuba tebamuyinako fumula 2 nga bwe nkugambye nti baziikayiga Bobi Wine sneaked out of his house by 10 yali amaze okutuuka ekasubi mu hotel. I will not be surprised ti Bobi Wine bw'anaabagamba ti he will be by when Bobi Wine tells you he's going to Mbalayizi Mbalala. When Bobi Wine announces that Bobi Wine is going to Mbale, he stayed in Mbale for 3 days. Miso knew where I was staying. But these people were not aware that Bobi Wine was in Mbalala. Bobi Wine was in Mubende for 3 days. When he was saying, I will be in Mubende, Miso knew where this man was. When Bobi Wine announces that he is coming, he is either going or has been there. No, even Kutesa yamwa network ya security. Nti Kutesa reveals himself. We had to bribe intelligence organizations not to reveal to the president what we are doing to transform, to hand over the power, the party of Chibalama to Bobi Wine. Kati, could Museveni's intelligence be blinded once? Kitegeeza intelligence kakati ate katembo no diroloka no muwo bwa Yesu. What would Oloka do? Does Oloka have the powers to overhaul the entire issue? This man, the richest Ugandan, agaba sente ayingidde mu kintu n'aleeta Bobi Wine akusuule akuuma obugagga bwe nga Bobi Wine agenze ne billion 5.8. Let me ask, Kutesa sente zimubuze ez'okuwa abalala kuba nkugambye tekati Kutesa nga Museveni bw'amaze omukozesa a written apology in his language, in his handwriting, akitegedde ti Museveni mumanyi bw'akukyawa n'omukola ekibita kuddira kakati akimanyi nti there will never be peace in spite of this relationship we are talking about. Bw'amusuula tafa omwana we bw'akuba essasi tofa. It does not make a sense whether Museveni ne Kutesa balina blood relationship. It does not make a matter. Emperor Neto yatta maama we for overthrowing the government. You can kill. If Gaddafi had killed his son Islam, Gaddafi would be in Libya. Mujuri. For us, they tell us in politics. If you're riding a canoe with the son of the owner of the canoe, and the son starts wrecking it, the canoe, if you don't grab him and throw him into the water, you will also die. It does not matter whether Kutesa is close to the president, whether they share blood relationship. What is important is Kutesa relevant to Museveni. Those who overthrew Omar Bashir, some of his in-laws, but family, Abarabu Bawa Sangana. But in spite of this relationship, when the time came for them to perish like Omar Bashir, they sacrificed Bashir. In Zimbabwe, the Mnangagwas were saying, Comrade Mugabe. The problem is the woman and her family. Didn't they move against the owner? Because Mugabe, they were riding this Muko arrogantly told Mnangagwa, do you know that we can also for survival? Yes, for survival. It doesn't matter who kills you.
But for survival
purpose. When your son kills you, do you die smiling?
How?
Yes.
You can't.
Kakati ekyo kyekiriwo. Bubwaire bwakugamba embalala abategeeza nti ayinayo support. Let the Mbala people say he's not coming. And even if he does not go there, the people line up from Kampala to Mbalala. Why? Era bano abasajja kyembasaasirako. President Museveni yagamba, that was swearing in. They had invited the Nigerian president and other presidents. I was summoned by the Nigerian court to go and testify. Why? Bessie was in Nairobi. Kenya Airways refused to put Bessie on board. When Museveni heard about it, he said, we fought for freedom. We cannot allow any Ugandan to remain outside Uganda because we have a swearing ceremony. Museveni directed, let Bessie board Kenya Airways, land at Entebbe Airport, disembark, and go home. Museveni, because he's honest, he thought Bessie was also honest. What happened? After disembarking, received by his wife, Winnie Byanyima, who is, I know, I can give you evidence. Winnie Byanyima is very close to Bobby Wine. I can tell you, evidence, photographic evidence, miso. Winnie Byanyima is very close to Bobby Wine. They have held a number of meetings. Put it there. Let anybody challenge me. I have pictorial evidence. But what did they do? Winnie Byanyima ne Bawe balemera kubayita ababiri. Balemerawo. Bessie blocked the airport, the Entebbe road. I remember, if people still remember, the principal secretary of the president was Akero, Grace Akero. Grace Akero took a cheat to the president that created the high exit. As Museveni was addressing the nation, Grace Akero was given a cheat by security forces that Museveni should announce that they should not, the delegates should not go to Entebbe for lunch. Instead, that lunch be shifted to international, to Naire Hotel. When Museveni wrote the cheat, he lost his temper. How could Museveni, the new president, an inaugurated president, shift the venue for his luncheon because of message? How could we explain?
You can't explain.
Abo bagure sakero nabagamba nti muyina magezi. Museveni mumanyi tasobola kukkiriza that Besigye has forced him to choose the venue. Museveni akapapula yakateeka mu nsawo n'akuulinga naye Akero baamugoba. Museveni badelegates bagenda Entebbe ne balya emmere naye emmotoka z'abadelegates zonna including the one of the Nigerian president was smashed. Their window screens were smashed. They are still in the State House. Ne bampita baali bavunaana an equivalent of a Essoman, a Nigerian court. Why didn't he detect that there would be chaos in Uganda? I went to give evidence in the Nigerian court. Nti ebyomwogera tebyaliyo. Emmotoka ya Goodluck baagikuba aba Besigye. Kwolwo olunaku ne bajja bakuba ewange. Abantu bakukyalo ne babagamba Mirundi is popular here. People like him. Taina buzibu. Timugenda kwokya nyumba ya Mirundi. Abantu ne bambuulira. Saagenda ku lunch. Naddira emmotoka ya gavumenti nga eri tinted. Nenjireka neegenda. Nenzigulawo gate yange wazana. Nezimba bogawuluji. Ana machine gun. Ninani n'obudomola bwa acid. Bayingirawo.
Tebajja.
Nalinjagala batta. Nalinjagala nziteko kuba abeesija abawera ekikumi. Bamasasi bwenkuba gulunedi. Bwenkajuka gundi. Kakati nkubuulira negamba nti Wine is reading, is following the same script
of yours.
Yeah, basically, could sneak out of his house, but when you sneak out of his house, the role
attack wakawandika kodda kewagamba nti Bobi Wine ali ku script yemne yabesi ko oli afubutukayo nona afubutukayo
mbono tumukunde stinks mbu first family na yeye inamu omuntu mbona yeje tuli basiru I can incite the population against tumukunde nadduka gama yinja nadduka. What do we have here belonging to tumukunde? What did tumukunde do us? Ebyo no first family byekola they have lost the moment Kutesa has antagonized Museveni n'abalala ba member of first family they have lost tebalifuna musika of the first family.
Okay. Thank you very much. Mwebale kutwagala oyo gwe bayita Tamale Mirundi kakensa w'ensonga mu ggwanga mumulindire mu program yaffe eddako omukamange mubezi waffe.